See, I'm showing here one vegetable shape. Basket, you all understood now what we did? Thumbs up if you all have understood basket, how we have done. Okay. Now I will show the second vegetable. First we will show the bottle gourd or dudi, what we are doing. The shape of the dudi is like this. Just a long, okay. And
Miss,
uh,
can I see the picture again?
yeah, I will show the picture. Now you see first. Okay, bottle gourd shape is like this. So when we are doing the basket, we are doing from here the basket or from here. So half the dudi is shown hidden in the basket. Can you all see this? This part of the dudi is not to be seen. So the dudi will be looking like this. Bottle gourd will be looking like this only on the top. Got it? So what we are doing, first we do the basket. What is seen in front, that we will do first. So first we are doing the basket. Neatly, slowly you pull with the pencil, double line for the border of the basket. Hmm? Got it? Now the papaya shape is how? Papaya shape is like this. Okay? But this we are showing the papaya behind the bottle gourd. So this much part of the papaya will be hidden. This down portion. I'm doing this papaya, I will bring behind the bottle gourd. Okay? So I'm rubbing this portion. And I'm showing it behind the dudi. So what I will do, this much portion from here, I'm taking half the papaya, which can be seen from here. I'm taking like this. I'm drawing the shape of this papaya here. Like this.
Miss.
Hmm? Then we have the brinjal shape. What is the shape of the brinjal? Like this oval and little bit thick down. But brinjal is having like this calyx. Okay. So what we are doing, we are showing the brinjal behind the bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is blocking all the vegetables half view. Okay. So this brinjal we will draw down, showing it is behind the bottle gourd. Okay. So I am drawing only the brinjal, little portion of the brinjal.
Miss,
तो dark बनाओ ना.
Dark.
Second, Miss.
I will
तो
show
dark
dark.
बनाओ ना.
I want fruits and
Yeah,
vegetables,
in
right?
dark position like this.
बनाना कैसे बनाओ? Miss, we have to do it
Haan,
a
this
page.
I am showing it in pencil again here for you once more. This I have done now only already. I am showing it how we are doing it this way. So we are doing now, the next is the banana. Can you all see? This. Okay. Now, after this, we want to do banana. So for the banana, first we are doing the stick portion of the banana. It is shown like this. It is cut. One banana we are going to do full. So 2 lines we are drawing like this. And we are drawing the big banana. Like this. Then we are doing like this. We are showing 2-3 bananas are there here. See that when you're doing the sketch pen, the first part, front one you will do, behind one you will not show this mark. Here, see, if you're behind now, this here the papaya is like this. So there you will not do the sketch pen, huh, Raini? Huh? The behind thing, half only what you can see, that only you are doing the sketch pen.
Miss.
Then now here again we are doing the pumpkin. So we are showing the pumpkin is very big. Big round. The basket like this. Small grapes. I'll draw. Okay, like that I have drawn. Now when I am doing this, I will first draw the, with the sketch pen, I will do the grapes first. Because the basket I will do afterwards. Okay, so what happens here is, so how I will do the sketch pen, see. I want to show the grapes. Can you see? I am doing only the grapes part. Overlapping and all I'm showing. Then I will show this. Okay, papaya. First I'm doing always the top notch of the thing. But this between line I will be not drawing. I did the papaya edging. Now the brinjal. Alex I did first. Okay. Then I did the banana part. Now this front part, everything is over. Now I am doing the basket outline. Then I will see where the lines are to be seen. Now see, I will not do till full here. The grapes are covering my basket. So I will do only till there.
Miss, dance.
Depends. Correct.
Miss, dance.
I've seen.
Miss, D.
Oh, I want to see the, these show me a photo, not your face.
मीन्स हमको स्केच पेन से डार्किंग भी करना है।
Yes.
उसके बाद पर कलरिंग भी।
Yeah. Okay. After doing the sketch pen, we are doing the rubbing of the pencil mark. All the pencil marks we will. Okay. Can you all see this? For the basket, on the top we have done double line and we have done small lines like this. Okay. And here big lines. We are making brick. And then in the center of that second line, in the center of it. Got it? So your fruits and vegetable basket is ready. Now what we are doing is we have to do the shading. First we will do the basket shading. Now for the basket shading, what you do is you have to take chrome yellow. Okay, chrome yellow, and like last time when I told you all, what you have to do is with your tissue paper or with your any towel, you have to
see.
yeah see correct. So now do the sketch pen. Okay. What you do is you have to wipe because see the edges will be having the other color. Hi, Elena. Correct. But bigger basket with such a big space, it was why you did small basket.
Yes, we have to do dark from sketch pen.
Listen what I'm telling. Your basket should be little more broader, big. You have done this full page. You have utilized only this much small. Huh? You have to use the full page. Now for chrome yellow you are taking and for the basket full chrome yellow first you will shade. Now only 5 minutes are there. We will do the rest coloring in the next. Basket coloring only will become today. Okay. So first we are coloring with the chrome yellow the full basket. Okay, nicely we will color it. But light. Then what we'll do? We'll take our tissue paper, fold it, and we will rub this properly so that even shading becomes on that. Got it? Yes? Now we will take dark brown. Now listen here carefully. We are going to show the brick shading. So we will start as if the light is falling from this side. So this end it will be dark and the edges will be, so we will shade only in L shape. Like this L. Can you all see this way? L shading I am doing.
Miss Brian.
Yeah, so correct. Very good. Nice. Okay. This way L shading we will do.
बस
Can you see?
પપૈયાનો શેપ સેમ ન હોય, બધા અલગ અલગ હોય.
So when we do that shading, it looks as if the light is falling on this basket from this side. So that shading is we are getting. Only L shading, huh? What? So your basket is looking beautiful now. Otherwise, what you all will do, you all will just shade full brown. It will not look nice. Chrome yellow, chrome yellow, and then on the chrome yellow we are doing the L shade. I'm not covering it till full, huh? And here also between the lines, here half fully I've done the line. Here also between the lines you can do here and there dark shading. We will do the grapes. Now for the grapes, what we do is we take this dark purple. Instead of dark purple, we will take violet. Okay, violet we will take, and we are coloring full like this, full. Okay, full we are coloring. Then we take the dark purple, and how we did the edges for this L shape. Here this is in circular, so we will do half circle. Like CC we will be doing the shading. First we did the full light violet,